Sorry, the camera's off. Today we're going to talk about Venus. Do you know Venus is the second planet from the Sun, and it's more like Earth than you might imagine. Today it's not like Earth because it had a runaway greenhouse effect, but before, do you know Venus had water, had oceans, rivers, lakes, just like us? And phosphine gas has been found in Venus's atmosphere, which is a sign of life. For phosphine gas to exist, it has to be molecules and atoms that are producing a waste product, because that's a waste product of living organisms. So that's proof Venus at one time had life. It might not be there anymore, and if it is, it's up in the clouds as very, very small molecules that the eye can't see, but with microscopes and stuff you can. In 2035, it will be a probe going in Venus's atmosphere to check out to see if it's any molecules or stuff up there in the clouds. Why does Venus have so many clouds? That's because Venus's atmosphere is mainly carbon dioxide and water vapor. It gotten so hot on the surface, all the water boiled to the clouds, and that's why the surface is like it is. And Venus is very similar to Earth, almost the same exact size, the same exact core, and is very similar. It's considered Earth's twin planet. But Earth can have the same outcome as Venus if we keep the carbon dioxide levels climbing to our atmosphere. Scientists say in years from now, Earth could look just like Venus from greenhouse gases rising from humans causing it. But we can change that, and you can watch my video, How to Stop Global Warming, if you want to see that. Don't forget to check out my YouTube page and subscribe down below. And also, Venus has no moon. Not sure if you knew that. Years and years ago, scientists think it left or it crashed into the planet. It's too hot on the surface to notice. Did you know Venus, because of the cloud thickness, it's darker than other planets? Like, you can only see for 2 miles ahead of you in Venus when you're on the surface. That's because the clouds block the sunlight and make it darker than it should be. And the most a probe has survived on Venus was a couple hours before it melted and crushed
Media
because of the
control.
pressure on Venus. Venus has a lot
Connecting
more
to
pressure than Earth, but that's because of all the carbon and stuff in the atmosphere, and such a thick atmosphere, it pushes a lot more pressure on the surface. So you or I wouldn't be able to stand on that planet even though it's the same size and stuff as Earth. Back in the day, before the runaway greenhouse effect, we would be able to stand on the planet, and it would have running water. It would look just like Earth, but unfortunately, it doesn't anymore. See you all soon in the next cool video.